Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make more money online, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. If you wanna make more money, it all starts with you. You have to work on yourself, your skills and providing value for people. The more value you bring to the marketplace, the more you get paid. If you become a valuable person and provide a lot of value to people, you can make more money. Your mindset is the key. The more you learn, the more value you can provide to others. This thing between your ears, called brain, is really important. It's going to determine whether you will be successful or not. If you are watching Netflix, movies, or even news with lots of negativity, it will affect you in all areas of your life. If you are spending time with your friends that are negative most of the time, how can you become a positive person? On the other hand, if you are reading books, watching videos of successful people and modeling them, it will affect you the other way around. If you are spending time with successful people, taking online courses, improving yourself and constantly working on yourself, what happens then? You are what you feed your mind. It all depends on you and your choices. If you wanna make more money online, you need to start improving yourself. You got to become more valuable and better version of yourself. If you are not satisfied with your life right now, you can decide to change it. How bad do you want to change? Are you committed enough to change your current situation? If you wanna earn more, you have to do something that other people are not willing to do. The more you improve yourself, the more value you can provide to others. With time, you become much more valuable person, which leads to making more money. You can't expect to do the same thing over and over again and get different results. Ask yourself these questions. How many books are you reading right now? How many online courses did you take? How much money did you invest into yourself in the last 6 months? You got to be willing to invest into yourself and commit fully to getting yourself into a better situation. The best thing you can do is to find some kind of online course or training that can help you to go through it step by step. Invest in yourself so you can go from the start all the way to the end and get the knowledge you need to make more money online. Next important thing you have to do is to take action. You can't just watch videos like this or take an online course thinking you get the results. Watching this video or taking online course can give you a little bit of motivation, but you have to realize it's not enough. It's about applying of what you've learned, taking action towards it. And it's not one-time action. You have to work on it every single day. The biggest risk is what you don't know. If you are constantly improving and working on yourself, you will learn more and the risk of the investment will be much lower. Do you want to make more money online? If so, you have to take it into your own hands and do not wait for other people to make their decisions. The only way you can move forward is to take action and start doing something. It doesn't matter what you want to do, just start. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll answer it and help you out. Thanks for watching.